I finally got back to drawing after a few months of burnout, and hell yeah, I had lots of fun. As you can see, I did draw mushrooms, because there is not much you can draw wrong with mushrooms, as they are of all shapes and sizes. And while I was drawing them, I decided to make a printable journaling kit out of the illustrations. So here it is. For the last drawing, I was inspired by a drawing called Mushrooms by Skywheel, and I will leave their DeviantArt page in the description. Go check it out. For the cover page, I did use, of course, the biggest illustration and paired it with monthly calendar on the next page. The final design ended up being red and green instead of yellow and blue as I first drew it, and I don't know why, but I do love both versions. I am using waterfall Dutch door again this month because it is somehow way easier for me to use than regular tabs. I could never find the right page using tabs. And I am using different washi tapes to mark the pages. Next are workout tracker and monthly to-do list, just to use the most narrow pages up. Now it's time for daily entries, and here I did combine the first half week of the month with the habit tracker, just so I could start other weeks on Monday on every spread, because I find it confusing otherwise. The amount of joy I got from figuring out all the ways I could use these mushroom illustrations in the journaling kit. It was time consuming but also lots of fun, and I did use the illustrations in almost all daily tabs, I mean for Monday, Tuesday, etc. And they are also tiny and cute and colorful. Because of the way I am setting up my full week, I always get a quarter of one page unused, and I usually have there a section for weekly tasks, or it's just decoration. And all spreads turned out to be quite colorful, because I was trying to match the color of the pen to the color of the corner illustration and washi tape. And oh my god, it is so rainbowy when flipping through. If you're interested in this mushroom journaling kit, it is available on my Gumroad page and through Koji store on my Instagram. It is a printable, so you will have to cut all the tiny things yourself. For now, I do not have the possibility to sell finished sticker sheets, but I would love to. Maybe one day, we'll see. On the last spread I do have lots of space left, so I am gluing in a tiny envelope to put there all the little things left from the journaling kit. And I might be gluing them here and there during the month if there is some space left on the page. I only have these tiny envelopes in brown, but thankfully this kind of works for this theme. I know I could make my own, but I was already overwhelmed, so maybe next time. Lastly, I am just filling in pages with leftover stickers. I like to do that. During the first pass, I am quite picky with what to put where, and when I'm finished, I go over all the pages and add more stuff in. And it's done. I am so excited about how this turned out. Also, for all of you guys who stick to the end of the video, there will be free monthly calendar in this mushroom theme in the description. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have an absolutely amazing day. Hope to see you next time. Bye.